Hi, I'm Sam, CEO and founder of Profit Accumulator. What is Profit Accumulator? Well, we teach people how they can make some extra money doing something called matched betting. Now, this isn't gambling, because when you do it correctly, you can't lose. And if you don't believe me, how about The Telegraph, Daily Mail, The Guardian, The Sun, Vice, Money Saving Expert, all major websites that have covered matched betting. So let me explain how it works. Like any business, bookmakers try to attract new customers using promotions, and the main way they do this is by using free bets and bonuses, and we can take advantage of these bonuses to make a profit. So let's say that, for example, a major high street bookmaker like William Hill or Coral or Ladbrokes are offering a £50 bonus to new customers. So we sign up and we might place a £50 bet on a coin toss landing on heads, and a £50 bet on the same coin toss landing on tails. Whichever way it lands, it doesn't matter. You won't win any money, but you won't lose any either because you've covered all possible outcomes. But you then get the £50 bonus, so you're £50 up. Now, a lot of people have tried match betting on their own, but the issue is finding all of the available bonuses can be extremely time consuming because there are literally hundreds of them available. And the strategy to turn them into cash can be completely different from one bonus to another. It's really important that you've got the correct strategy in order for it to be safe. That's where Profit Accumulator comes in. Even if you've never placed a bet before, even if you know nothing about sports, it doesn't matter, because we literally walk you through every available bonus step by step, teaching you how to turn it into cash in your bank account. We have calculators, we have software, we have video tutorials, we even have a mobile app. We have everything you need to make the process as easy as possible. And if you're thinking right now this seems too good to be true, think again. Take a look at the hundreds of 5-star reviews we have on Trustpilot, or pick up the phone and give us a call. We've been operating for years and have serviced over 100,000 paying customers. Matched betting isn't going to make you rich, and the majority of our customers just use it as a way to make some extra money every month. But we do have some members that have made tens of thousands of pounds over an extended period of time. So if this sounds good to you, then get involved. Create a free account today and start learning how to beat the bookies.